Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Okay, so according to my, see, I told you I always get it wrong. So yesterday's vlog, I said it was day number 8, it was day number 9. Today's vlog is day number 10. And listen, if I got it wrong, here's the thing, right? It's another vlog. Welcome to Vlogmas. We just gonna vlog it all the way out. Bless the Lord. So Jackson and I are here. There's Jackson. Hey. And we brought a friend home because they're going to youth group. So it's lunch. We're having Smithfields for lunch. And yes, I'm having Smithfields. And then I have some work I got to get done. What is this? Oh, okay. Those are both friends. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we were going to go to Highway 55, but they are closed for some reason. We don't know why, and I don't have time to investigate. So it is 1:52 in the afternoon. I have not had time. We just getting home from church. I take Alana to work. We ran over there to see if they were open because we were going to eat there, but no, not open. Jackson, would you put this in one? Yes. And then we can throw one away, please? Perfect, thanks. And so, with that being said, we just stopped there. I've got to clean my room. So here's the thing. You're going to see a vlog of me rearranging my bedroom because that is the goal for today. But then I have another vlog of me rearranging it that I haven't shown yet. So I'm trying to decide because I've got several vlogs in queue that I haven't gotten out yet before Vlogmas started. So I'm trying to decide if I'm going to go back because I have like 5 videos just sitting there waiting. So let me know in the comments if you still want to see the old vlogs, even though they are older than Vlogmas, or if you just want us to keep moving forward. Because it's like 5 vlogs, 5 videos that I have not gotten out. Anywho, I'm going to sit and eat, and then the kids and I are going to get some stuff done because we have to pick up Alana by 5:30. Alrighty, you guys, so we've eaten, and it is time for me to get busy. If I don't get busy now, I'm not going to get busy. So I'm going to do almost a 100% total. There's some things I'm going to take out of this room. All the stuff over by the other side. This is where my desk is. This is no longer, none of this is going to be here. All that's moving. And so I'm going to just get ready. I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod, probably over here, so that I can move in this general direction because I got to get stuff out of here so that I can do the things I need to do. That's what I'm going to do. And it's not going to take me long. Oh, thanks. I can't find my glasses.
They're not in here. Well, unless you're talking about the red ones.
The black ones. My red ones need to come in here too.
No, they're not.
Okay.
Forgetting about these clothes.
My computer, did anybody bring one in here?
No. You know, it was kind of a good and a bad thing I came home early. You know what I'm saying? It kind of was a good and a bad thing that I came home early. Definitely good because I left my pants here.
Okay. Can you?
And of course I would have asked you guys to. You know,
Give me my computer. Yeah. Better rock
Turned
that
out
bonnet.
that we had 6 left.
Better rock the bonnet.
I rock it at night when I'm sleeping.
Put it here.
Everybody else
Check
is
my
sleeping.
social medias.
Checking.
Better check. Better rock that bonnet. Oh, I was trying to download that.
I mean, it's just because my leg.
Not this one.
Not what one?
This one right here. It paid me in the night.
Pain you in the night?
Pain.
Pain.
Mm-hmm.
Why did you see that?
Mm-mm.
To your left. By your left.
Take a picture. Just take a picture. Just take a picture of my leg and her butt. Of me sitting here working. Just me sitting here working.
And rocking your bonnet.
Rocking the bonnet.
What are you doing down there? Hmm?
Okay, let me get those clothes done.
Yeah, I'm just finishing up. I don't know what that mess is. I have to leave with my birthday, Mom. That's all. I want to make sure I do the thing I want to do. And I don't know. It almost seems kind of like a big deal, but I know people don't want to make a big deal about it.
We don't.
But I'm the kind of person who makes a big deal about
Hey, Jackson, can you come to try that Roku thing?
Also, this bra is smashing my shoulder. It's literally smashing it right now. What Roku thing? No, I almost lost an earring today.
Go to live TV.
Almost lost an earring today. I know.
I'm sorry.
I was talking to you. And I almost lost that. No, that weird thing is happening again. I gotta go.
All right, y'all. So I have done a few things. I needed to check some stuff on my social medias. Now I'm working on a laundry. So I'm trying to get as much stuff done as I can before I take the kids to youth group. Rocking my bonnet. Thank you, Lindsay. Rock the bonnet, sis. Rock the bonnet. We filmed a reel for Instagram. Watching a little bit of In the Heat of the Night on Amazon Prime, just because I'm old like that. And my grandfather used to watch that. So, anywho, I'm going to finish getting these clothes folded. Jackson, come help Mom fold clothes, please. And hopefully I can get done with this pretty quick. And okay, here's the bonnets. I need to find a place for those.
Do you want this in the garage too?
Yeah.
The bathrobe? A bathrobe?
No.
Anywhere else I choose, when I choose. Putting another thing straight, you will not call me boy.
This thing?
My name, go with that.
I like you people to like me. They can't be liking without respect, and until there is that respect, you
Will call me Mr. Tips. Black out. Black out.
Mom, I'm going to call something.
Yes, these right here, babe. So I still got more things that I can fold. Where did this one come from?
What message did you hear this time?
Yeah.
Safe drivers can save using Snapshot.
What Snapshot?
What the commercial was about.
I tune commercials out.
That's it.
This is all the clothes? Well, what? No.
That's it. Those sheets and socks.
Okay. Dump them out. Find them. Give me this. Give me this. Sheets we can fold. Socks we can fold. No play. Sir.
I'm not sure if that is.
Sir.
Facing weak takes strength. So
Sir.
here's to the strong who trust in our performance and comfortable long lives.
Sir.
Trust in your performance and simple long life.
Is supported by our
Whatever that means.
Okay, you guys, so it is hours later, hours later. And we worked the whole time. The kids went to youth group. And while they were at youth group, I cleaned off my desk a lot. I had to find a place for some more shoes. I've actually I gotta come up with a shoe situation. So I'm gonna be looking for another shoe shelf tomorrow at Walmart. I may look on Amazon. So I had to fix that situation and make that work out. But I do want to share with you kind of what the room looks like now. And the next thing I'm going to be working on is my jewelry pieces, all of the glasses that I have, because I've got to just find places for all that stuff to go so that's easily accessible when I'm trying to get to it. One of the things I do have are way too many accessories, but I'm an accessories person and I love accessories. So I'm not getting rid of my accessories unless they don't have matches or, you know, they've rusted or, you know, kind of, because I don't have expensive stuff. I just have costumes pieces or whatever. I do have the Nady West pieces, but I'm not getting rid of my pieces. So what I'm going to do is just show you a little bit around the room. The only thing I didn't do was find pillowcases, which the kids and I will find in just a little bit. But Shakema is going to bed because I have had enough for the day. And it is time for all of God's children to go to bed in Jesus' name. So let me show you what we were able to do. And, you know, it's just one of those things. I needed a change. I didn't need a change necessarily, but my room was feeling a little closed in to me. And I always try to do something a little different in the wintertime. And then too, I've got another review coming up that I needed a clear wall for. And on my other side, I had a lot of stuff back there. So that'll be coming up within the next video or two. So be looking forward to that. But yeah, let me show you what we did. And we're going to end the vlog here. Alrighty, you guys. So here it is. I've never had this case here before or that file cabinet. But it is there now. And it holds the printer and my lamp. And then, of course, underneath here, I have, like, files and stuff. Actually, I need to turn my computer back on because I forgot to write something down. And I will do that in just a second. Put the desk here with the chair, and I still have got to cover the back of that. My prayer chair did not move. And I didn't want it to move. I do just like it separated, but I actually still have good room to walk through here, and I actually can move my chair now, although I am going to be looking for a smaller chair, one not so wide, because I do want to be able to scoot in and out, and then maybe one that will fit underneath there as well, where I can put my legs under. But anyway, so I did that. And then that opened up this space right here. And I used to have a chest that sat there, a cedar chest, but we moved it out into the garage, which is perfectly fine. So my bed is now against that wall. And then, of course, I can get to the bathroom. So I think it gives, I don't know, you know, it's not the best situation in the world. I wouldn't always want to have an office in my bedroom. But I do, you know, I do work here. So it works out perfectly fine for that. A lot of that's just YouTube stuff. And the kids and I went through some of our YouTube things, reviews and stuff, and gotten rid of the boxes and different things that we didn't need anymore. This is just, I need to put that into the garage. But, you know, sometimes a change can be good, even if you don't have money to buy new, you know, new bedding or new pillows or new whatever. Sometimes if you just change it around a little bit, that will help to make you feel like at least you have something new or newer than what you had before. Everything in this bedroom is the same. I didn't buy anything new. And I am going to take the Texas Star down. I love the Texas Star, but I'm going to take the star down and I'm going to put up my, right here, I have the world, and what that represents to me is my Titus 2 group and my Daughters of Grace. Those ladies are from all across the United States, and they're across different parts of the world. And so I am going to put that up and appreciate that. I have asked the Lord for, I have asked the Lord for a woman represent each and every state, and then also to represent different parts of the country. That's just a prayer of mine, to be able to minister to those women all over the world. And he's been very faithful up till now. So what I am going to do is I'm going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And remember, I did film. This is the second time I've changed the bedroom around. And I had pre-filmed the first time. You guys did not see that because Vlogmas came up on me so quickly. But if you do want to see that one, let me know. And I'll just, you know, put up in the title, old video. But this one is the most recent. So anywho, I do hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for subscribing, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.